All right, it's time to cut a graduated bob. So you can see the very first thing I'm doing is I'm taking a diagonal section from the occipital bone down to the neck, holding my fingers in a 45-degree angle and basically getting shorter as I get closer to the neck. The 45-degree angle that I hold my fingers at ensures that the hair at the occipital bone is going to be longer than the hair at the neck. So I'm going to continue taking pie-like sections, combing the current section to the previous section, because the previous section is my guide for the current section. Now that I've completed the graduation on the right side, it's time to do the graduation on the left side. Doing the exact same thing, holding my fingers in a 45-degree angle so that the hair at the occipital bone is longer than the hair down by the neck. Alright, so now it is time to establish the outline. So as you can see, I'm just combing the hair straight down and cutting it at the desired length that I'm looking for on both the right side and the left side. So one of the things that I like to do in cutting a graduated bob is I like to cross-check the graduation by using scissor over comb. So as you can see here, I'm simply going through and scissor over combing all of the graduated section. So we've come to the end of another graduated bob. As you can see, the graduation helps build up the weight and volume at the crown area. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, please don't forget to put them down in the comment section below. And if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And as always, I want to thank you guys so very much again for watching.